Hey everyone, welcome back to Froggy Flips. Anthony here. Today we're going to do another giveaway. Well, we're going to do the giveaway on Monday. Today's Thursday, October 10th, and so you have until Monday to enter the giveaway. There can be 3 winners this time, and what we're going to give away this time is IKEA bags. If you've been a reseller very long, or if you've watched reselling YouTube videos, then you definitely know what these are. They look small right now, but they open up huge, and they're good for sourcing trips, going to the post office, putting all your packages in. They fit a ton of stuff. I'm sure you know that. It's not like they're expensive or anything, but not everyone has an IKEA in their area, so they can be hard to come by. And I mean, on Amazon you can buy them, but they cost more than what they cost at IKEA. So we have 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So I'm going to give away 2 sets to 3 different people. All you have to do to win these is to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave any sort of comment. Obviously, if your comment was, I don't want to win these bags, then I guess you probably wouldn't win, but on Monday we'll just do a random drawing of 3 comments, and those 3 people will win 2 IKEA bags mailed to them for free. So I guess the rules are that you just have to be in the US. If you're not in the US, then you might have to pay shipping or something, so I mean, that's fine too. But so make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment. And if I choose your comment randomly with the random YouTube comment generator, then you will win 2 IKEA bags. So good luck, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.